Marion Manufacturing, snap lock panel line. Pre-punched, pre-notched, and pre-sheared blank parts make their way into the Rollformer. As the parts enter the Rollformer, the rotary nail flange punches holes every 6 inches. By dropping or lifting the striation pass, you can make flat panels or striated panels. Capable of panels from 30 inches to any required length. This snap lock line can produce 2 seam heights through the exchange of crowded fixtures and 2 panel widths through a changeover process. Call us today for a quote on a Marion Manufacturing snap lock panel line.